Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I am Switch to the 99, and in today's video, I'm at the 99 to see what is new. The Christmas week is here. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. As a quick side note, before we jump into the walkthrough, I did do a surprise Christmas miracle giveaway on my YouTube community tab. And the winner is Layla. Layla, you are the winner of the $100 Visa gift card. I basically asked if people believed in Christmas miracles. And if you just simply answered yes, no, or whatever, you are automatically entered into this giveaway. So Layla, congratulations. You are the winner. I will put my information down below so you can get in touch with me, and I can get your gift card out as soon as possible. So I will put my information out in the comment section. So congratulations again, Layla. And so with that, let's jump right into the walkthrough and get started. So one of the first things I'm seeing are a lot of toys for kiddos. And look at this. This is a three-wheel scooter for $9.99. And they have all these cute little toys, minions for $4.99. As soon as I saw this, I thought of 99 Be Poppin', who absolutely loves those. And let's see, they also have these Masters of the Universe. Oh, that's awesome. And more over here, they have Jurassic Park. Again, these are $4.99 and lots makes for cute little gifts or stocking stuffers. And check these out. These are baby dolls for $3.99. They're like literally the whole store is filled with toys. So I'm just gonna only show you a couple of different things that are standing out to me, like these for $4.99. Little ambulance trucks. Yeah, lots of trucks, lots of different toys. So if you guys are in last minute pinch, or if you're just on a budget, I would definitely say come to the 99 and check out all the toys that they have for the kiddos, because there is certainly an abundance of them in all different kinds. So as you can see, I'm just literally walking through the aisle, and it's just toys and toys upon toys. And I thought these were really cute. I know these are so really popular. These are $2.99. However, they are Disney themed and Barbie, so I thought that was pretty cool. For $2.99, it's really not that bad. Sorry, I'm just getting out of somebody's way. I thought these were nice as well, and you do get a 4-pack for $1.99, and then they have Baby Shark as well. So lots to pick from. So again, nice little side gift, or just even a little stocking stuffer. And I thought these were really cute as well. With the stroller for $15.99. Again, lots of toys for the kiddos. So if you are in need, definitely check out the 99. All right, so I did pop into the Christmas section to see what is new, and these were so adorable. I haven't seen these all season, and I think these literally just came into the store. I had the manager run up to me, and she's like, "Did you see these yet?" I'm like, "I had not seen these yet." So I think she said some of the trucks were delayed. So if you are still looking for some Christmas decor, don't mind me. Definitely check out the 99, because they are still putting out Christmas decor, as you see here. These are also new signage here in my location. Some areas I'm sure probably have already received these, but definitely not here in my area. So I thought those are really cute. And they also had these little lanterns for $2.99 with the little Santa face. And let's continue on and check these out. These Nomi signs, how cute are these? So gnome, sweet gnome, pretty cute. And I believe those are 99 cents. And then these beads I have not seen in my location, so they just came in. A Jolly Season, not bad. They're pretty long, so would definitely say check them out. And then these I have been looking for. Finally, they hit my store. I think definitely some areas were delayed. This is all of the table skirts and a different drying mats, as well as the napkins. So they do have a whole collection of these. This is the vintage Santa. They're definitely very vintage to me as well. And let's see, they do have some little area rugs. Oh. And I know these, I showed you these on my Instagram last week, but they restocked them, and there is tons of these. I know people were going crazy for them, as well as these more, I forget what the term is, but these are really shiny. And there is also $2.99, very Starbucks-esque. And talk about late arrivals. These cookie tins are so adorable for $1.99. They have the little Nomi, and they have home for the holidays. As you can see right there, there is tons of these cuties. Definitely a late arrival, but again, this would make for perfect. If you want to put some cookies in there, if you want to even throw some gift cards in there, so that way, if you're doing some gifts, they didn't necessarily know it's a gift card right away. But I'm loving these. These are just so kind of vintagey looking, and I feel like you could probably use them even just past Christmas, maybe into the new year. And I did want to show you every single one that they had because again there is a lot of them. And here is all of the different designs that they have available in my store, and I believe they're all 199 regardless of size. And let me just make sure before I speak. Yep, they're all 199. But how adorable are these? And they also have the little nutcracker, and he is actually 99 cents. So hey, that's a little deal. Another item that I want to show you guys were these candy canes. Literally one of the items that the manager ran up to me and was like, have you seen these? Because these are huge. These are $3.99, perfect for the front door or just even to show next to your tree. And these I just thought were so perfect. I'm thinking, teachers gifts. These would definitely make for a nice little teacher gift. And this is how you doing. This is from the Friends collection. How cool is that? Friends have their own little mugs. Again, I know a lot of people are fans of Friends shows, so definitely would make for a cute little teacher gift and on a budget. So tons of these available right now. And again, let's see, more Christmas. This is the home for the holidays. Again, these little runners are late arrival at my location, and $1.99 can't go wrong. Love this style, very vintagey. And speaking of, they have the poinsettias, which is actually, excuse if I'm mispronouncing it, but a great deal because I've seen these go for about $6.99 elsewhere. So definitely snatch them up here at the 99, and I'll be grabbing some myself. As a quick reminder, I have a brand new Target Dollar Spot video. Make sure you guys check it out. It includes tons of Valentine's 2022. So if you are into Valentine's, make sure you check it out. I will link it down below. Also, it does include a little special giveaway. So let's continue on with the walkthrough. Again, another great item that I showed last week. These are the giant water bottles. I know that these retail about $15 to $20 on Amazon, and they restocked them, so they do have these 3 different versions for $7.99. So definitely a great item to pick up now if you are looking to get in shape. And for the new year, I would definitely say grab these now because I know last week they literally ran out so quickly. So I don't know if they just happened to have a few more and they just put them out. But definitely want to show you the ones that I'm seeing here at the 99. So I think I'm going to grab the black one for myself. It looks pretty cool. But again, $7.99 and not a bad deal. And look at these. This is the Vasta to make your own little pasta with veggies. Again, thinking of New Year, new me, trying to be healthier. And it's just, even without that, it is a nice little tool to have and could also make for a great gift if you know some chefs in your home. And they still have more of the wire racks for the fancy wine for $9.99. And then love these baskets. Definitely reminds me of the ones that my grandma used to have. Very fancy. And if you are in need of some cooking utensils, they have these still for your turkey for Christmas dinner. And speaking of Christmas dinner, look at these. These are gorgeous. $4.99. And let me tell you guys, these are really heavy. Like really heavy. Beautiful. Again, $4.99. And I know we saw a couple of these last time, a few weeks ago. These kind of remind me of like Mexican theme. And these are smaller on the smaller side for $3.99. But how gorgeous are these? Definitely a new item. And of course, it is cold season, so I just wanted to pop into the medicine aisle and see what they had. And they do have tons of that, so definitely say if you are in need of something, it's always just good to freshen up your cabinet, your medicine cabinet, and throw out maybe stuff you may have from previous years. And I didn't realize the Flintstones changed their packaging. Fancy. All right, let's check out, see what else we can find. Okay, tons of food items. So definitely seeing a lot of juices. The kids' Minute Maid for $1.99 is not a bad deal. I know this stuff can be really expensive. And holy cow, you guys, I love this Coffee Mate. This version was amazing. And I'm not a huge pumpkin spice fan, but that one was amazing. And this one is also one of my favorites, the Silk Creamer, as well as the almond one. So all of these creamers are definitely Sway recommended. So let's just see what else they have. Tons of food again. Just want to show you everything that I'm seeing at a bird's eye view. And these Siggies are an amazing deal for 99 cents, a giant tub, where we make for great smoothies. And they have more Tropicana for $1.99. And these are good until January 2nd of 2022. And then they have Naked Juice. This is the larger bottles for 99 cents. Holy cow. I'm definitely going to grab some for a good friend of mine who loves those. And look at these veggie rings. Not a bad deal. That looks pretty cool. I've never seen these before. And they did bring back the vegetizers. These are absolutely one of my favorites. And what's cool about it is that is the family size. So you get more for your buck. All right, let's continue on. I don't want to slam the doors. And look at these. They have the riced veggies for 99 cents. Definitely a must-have for the kiddos, even just for yourself. I actually really like these, so not a bad deal. And this is also a good deal. This is the Good Gather by Target. This is the Target brand, so I'm not really sure how much they retail for in-store, but $2.99 I'm not really sure about. But they also have the shrimp here for $3.99. So definitely want to show you guys everything that I'm seeing. Another item that caught my eye are these sweet hard huevos rancheros breakfast for $1.99. I know this brand is really expensive, so I would definitely say snatch them up if you can. Speaking of name brands, they have the Buffalo Wild Wings sauce here. That is pretty cool. I've never seen those before. And they also have P.F. Chang's and Drew's, which I know we've seen last week, and for $1.99. And then the P.F. Chang's are 99 cents. So, all right, this definitely caught my eye as well. This is a pack of 3 fettuccine pastas. This is definitely a very fancy pasta. And I'm thinking you could even do like a little basket and throw this in there, like for somebody who's really into cooking or into pastas. Make it into a nice little fancy gift basket. So not bad for $2.99. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I know this was a quick walkthrough, but again, don't forget to check out my Target dollar spot walkthrough with 22 Valentine's decor, and I will be doing my home tour this week, so keep your eyes peeled. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.